Hey family, today I want to break down the real engine behind Crypto Fortune and answer the big question: how is the money actually generated? It's all about supply and demand. As long as people want to double their funds in 30 days, there will always be a need for participation. That's the core demand. Super simple, right? Now, let's talk about the supply. The supply isn't coming from some secret vault or a shady CEO. It's created by the community, for the community. Crypto Fortune runs on a P2P DeFi protocol. No company, no owner, no one pulling the strings behind the curtain. And this is what makes it different from a Ponzi or a traditional bank. Ponzis have a boss who can just disappear with everyone's money. Banks, they use your money and pocket the profits. But here, a smart contract handles everything. Funds go directly between users. No middleman, no funny business. It's 100% decentralized, and the smart contract is unchangeable. That means every transaction is peer-to-peer and all the value stays right inside the community. But remember, this isn't magic. You're not promised ROI from thin air. The rewards come from real participation. The community provides the supply, the smart contract manages it, and active members benefit. Want to see for yourself? Check the description, get involved, and I'll see you on the inside.